Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the Room Kit behaves predictably. Check firmware and sign into Webex Control Hub. This gives you device management and licensing context. Next, make sure network settings, static IP, DNS, NTP, and VLAN ID are documented because they affect call routing and security. Once done, power on the device and connect HDMI, USB, and camera to confirm hardware is detected. Make sure you have admin credentials at hand so you can complete initial configuration without interruptions. Now you configure core network and service settings so the Room Kit can place calls reliably. On the device or via Control Hub, assign the static IP, gateway, DNS, and a DHCP fallback to prevent outages. Then register the device to your Control Hub site and apply the site template to push policies and credentials. Next, choose Cloud Calling or SIP/H, 323 profiles, and map camera presets and microphone pickup zones. This ensures consistent audio/video behavior. Make sure to save and reboot if prompted so changes take effect. Finish by validating call quality and system health so meetings run smoothly. Run a test call, check camera framing and mic pickup, and adjust speaker levels. You want predictable user experience. Then enable diagnostic logs and confirm NTP sync and TLS certificates are valid because time inserts prevent registration failures. If things go wrong, reboot the Room Kit, reapply the Control Hub template, and verify firewall ports for SIP/HTTPS are open. This single troubleshooting loop resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.